I've been walking round in circles with my coat against the rain, trying not to say your name out loud like silence hides the pain. I've been laughing with the lads like I had nothing left to lose, but every street light on the north side kept on pointing back to you. And I'm tired of pretending that I don't know where I am, so I'm saying it plain with my heart in my hands. Here I stand, I'm not running anymore. Here I stand, like I should have done before. No more halfway loving, no more hiding from the truth. Here I stand, and I stand for you. There were nights I blamed the weather, there were days I blamed the drink. There were times I had the answer, but I couldn't bear to think. I made ghosts of every promise, I made jokes of every scar, but you saw the man beneath it, you knew who I was. And I'm done with easy leaving, done with slipping through your hands, so I'm saying it now. Hope you understand. Here I stand, I'm not running anymore. Here I stand, like I should have done before. No more halfway loving, no more hiding from the truth. Here I stand, and I stand for you. If the whole town hears me, let them hear it right. I was lost in the doorway, you were always the light. If I broke what we carried, if I let you down, I'll build it back slowly from the stones on the ground. I'm not running anymore. Here I stand, like I should have done before. No more halfway loving, no more hiding from the truth. Here I stand, and I stand for you. Here I stand, with the rain coming down. Here I stand, I won't turn around. No more empty talking, no more disappearing too. Here I stand, and I stand for you. Here I stand, with my heart in my hand. Here I stand, and I stand for you.